Okay, this is how to quickly find out how many videos a YouTube channel has published so far. Launch a web browser or open your YouTube application, whichever way will work. So here I'm using a PC, so let me open my web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. So visit youtube.com and log in. All right, look at the web link. I'll press enter key. Once YouTube opens, search the name of the channel you want to find out the number of videos it has so far. Alternatively, if you are using a YouTube app, still search the name by clicking inside the search and type the name. So here, let's work with Kevin Stratvat. So after typing the name of the channel, press enter key. Okay, the name of the channel will show up. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you will see a preview of the number of videos it has. You can see here it says 1.2K, but that is not the exact number of videos uploaded by this young man. So click on more. On clicking on more, scroll down. Here you will see the exact number of videos this channel has published so far. It's 1,243 videos. So follow this approach to find out the exact number of videos a YouTube channel has published so far. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.